Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your laptop wake up on a scheduled time. So in order to do that, we'll have to enter BIOS menu, and to enter the BIOS menu you have to press the power key shortly until the power indicator starts glowing, and then start pressing F2 key until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Okay. Now, using right arrow key, navigate to power tab, and then use down arrow key to navigate to auto wake on S5. Press enter, and then select whether you want it to wake up on the same time every day, or by the day of the month. Using down and up arrow key, you can select each of these options. Then press enter once you select one of the options, and then navigate to the following field. In case you select by every day, navigate to the following field in which you'll have to enter the time. And here you can simply enter hours, minutes and seconds when you want your laptop to wake up. Press enter to confirm and go to the following field. Now, if you select it by day of month, then change the wake up time and select the day of the month when you want your laptop to be to wake up each month. Now, to disable this feature, select auto wake on S5 and press enter, and select disabled and press enter again. To apply settings, press F10 and enter, and to discard them, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.